You make your own videos and download them, and that's it. Oh, that's like tape, eh? It just comes undone.
Yeah, but I gotta be careful. We don't want to hurt the
leg.
The leg in between.
She's gonna feel so much better.
So see, we got it open, and we can.
Oh, yeah. So that was easy. I was wondering how you're gonna do it. And it's just like cotton.
That was to protect the leg so it didn't get chafed.
Oh, I see. I wonder if it was ever itchy. Because I know how people like to use a ruler down there and scratch it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, baby.
So I'm just peeling this off. There we go. Look at that foot.
How does it look? It's okay.
So she might be a little stiff in that, you know, calling it her ankle.
Yeah.
Okay. It is more red.
Yeah.
You can see that, and that's because it's been in the splint. It's got some irritation.
Yeah.
You know, and it's been. Now we get the air to it.
It'll get better.
And we let the bird heal.
Oh.
Okay. Now we've got to be careful of the poop on the toes. There's a lot of poop on the feet here, which is probably because she's been on the bottom of the cage
and she
more.
sat on that poop right there, but then I do clean it, but I just didn't do it today because it was out. But she should be able to go on the purchase now?
Yeah. Yeah, I think she'll be good on the purchase. Okay, so let me go get a weight on her. There she is, and she should be able to put those feet down.
Yay, thank
you.
Okay, Shimmer is home. And now she just has to get used to, there she goes, moving her leg. So hopefully she'll be okay. Feels funny, eh, girl? Feels funny, huh? Oh, there you go. Thanks for watching.